Get started with GitHub Copilot. Today, we're excited to explore the innovative features of GitHub. To get started, please visit the GitHub Copilot features page and sign up if you haven't already. Then click on the Get Started with Copilot button. GitHub Copilot offers several subscription options: Copilot Individual Plan, Copilot Business and Copilot Enterprise. Keep scrolling until you find the Start a Free Trial button. Click on it to proceed. Scroll further down and click on Get Access to GitHub Copilot. To complete the process, fill in the necessary billing information and complete the setup process. And that's it. You're all set to supercharge your coding productivity. Thank you for watching.